Hi, I'm Jeff from Jeff's Bronco Graveyard. I'd like to welcome to our July new products video. Our first new product is this rear bumper filler panel. This fits the 78 to 86 Ford Bronco. We've reproduced it here, made in the United States, heavier gauge steel, galvannealed metal. This is so it won't rust. The old ones were just thin metal from Ford's and they get corroded because they get spray from the tires. So basically what this is, this fits between your rear bumper and the body. So it fits up under the body. We'd be looking from the inside of the truck, and this protects from dirt and road grime going on your bumper. Gives it a finished appearance again. Brand new from the Bronco Graveyard, the 78 to 86 rear bumper filler panel made here in the United States. And our next new product are these rear bed braces. These are for the 80 to 97 F-Series pickup. These are the braces that go from on your rear wheel opening. You go hook on the bottom and they hook up into the bed. It gives it support. If you lean against it, it just keeps it from bending the quarters in. We've had these reproduced. There's a shorter one and a longer one. We had a heavier gauge metal, galvanized finish, so you could basically take them out of the bag and install them. We sell them individually. You can buy one, or you can buy two, or you can buy them a set of four. Again, rear bed braces for the rear wheel opening of the quarters on the box of an 80 to 97 F-Series pickup. Our next new product are these bezel finish panels. These are for the 87 to the 91 Ford Bronco and F-Series pickup with power windows, power locks. Dennis Carpenter's reproduced these, did a really nice job. The one here is the driver's side. This is for the power lock and your power windows, drivers and passenger. And this would be the passenger side, one for the power lock and one for the power window. These are really easy to in place. You basically use a couple screws on the door panel, pop it loose, pop the door panel loose, and you pull it out. On the inside here, the switches are in the harness, and the harness is with 3 screws is screwed to this side. Phillips screwdriver, take it apart, pop it in, pop back to the door panel, put the door panel back on, and away you go. On the passenger side, same thing. Unscrew it from the old one, put it on here, screw it in place, pop it in, put the door panel back on, and away you go. Again, window switch bezel covers for the 87 to 91 Bronco and F-Series pickup. And our next new product are these OEM style body bolt kits. We have these for the 80 to 96 Ford Bronco. We also have them for the 80 to 97 F-Series pickup. We've had these reproduced just like the original, got a little coating on it. These are grade 8. This is the rear bed brace back to the tailgate for the Bronco. We give you the core support ones in front of your feet, one's behind the seats, and the one is in the middle of the bed. Again, the Bronco is a 10-piece kit, and then the 80 to 97 truck is a 6-piece kit. These are grade 8 with a finish on them. Away to go. OEM body bolt kits. And for our July web truck of the month, we have Bill Snyder's Molly Bronco. We caught up with him at the Silver Lake Sand Dunes last year. He brought the Bronco all the way from Colorado to the show. It's unique. I want to, again, remind everybody, August 1st and 2nd, the Bronco Birthday Bash, Silver Lake Sand Dunes. Exciting news, Ford is going to reveal the 60th anniversary Bronco up there at the show. We go to the golf course for the show. It's a beautiful facility, shade, grass, restaurant, bar, everything you need there, and you're there with your Bronco family. You can't have it much better than that. Then we go out in the sand dunes on Saturday, big shootout there, great time. You're on the west side of Michigan, it's beautiful, the Lake Michigan's there, many things to do. I recommend coming. I just want to thank everybody for their support and hope to see you again next month.
We bought Molly way back in '86. We were traveling across country. We bought it in Nevada, and I was stationed in Washington, D.C. We're driving along and you know, throwing out names because everything has to have a name when it's four-wheel drive. And we were coming across Illinois, and 3 pheasants flew across the road, and the last name we threw out was Molly, and so it stuck. There it goes. I wish it was a better, you know, oh yeah, we got in a bar fight or something, but that's how it actually happened, and so we've been adding parts and throwing money at her, and we go across the country and race anything they'll let us put our helmet on, and so we've drag raced and autocrossed and rock rally and drag race and ice race, and so we try to have as much fun as we can while we're here. We found a bra on a trail, and then now she has 46 bras.
Okay.
Yeah, she has more bras than most girls. So, okay. And we have 6 sets of tires, so one for every event, kind of, and whatever we're going to go play in. But yeah, it's all about the smile on the face. The next upgrade, you know, we're playing with nitrous, so the next event we're going to is Rockabilly down in Colorado, Pueblo, and that's going to be a test for 200 shot of nitrous.
Awesome. So what's the drivetrain now?
It's a 9-inch, 35 spline, and 44 in front.
Okay.
So
what's the motor and trans?
Oh, you can't ask. We can't ask that because we're racing. It says 289. It's a V8. It's a 351 Windsor block. How's that? Molly fits into everything from car shows to four-wheel drive shows to almost anything. If you take a look on the hood, on the roof here, I started writing down everything we did. So, you know, the list is pretty long. I don't know if you got a peek in there. Upgrades, yep, constant. So break something, fix it, break it again, and hope it doesn't break in the same place. And yeah, but
that's Molly.
That's Molly. Go Molly.
All right.